Have you ever wondered why cracking your neck feels so satisfying? Many people assume it's completely harmless, but there can be risks if you do it too forcefully. So what actually causes that popping sound? I'll show you. But first, if you're on the side of the angels, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And if not, then maybe you're cheering for the demon. Share this video to show your support for the angels, and leave a heart in the comments if you're Team Angel. It comes from rapid changes in pressure that create or release gas within the fluid surrounding your joints. Occasional neck cracking is generally harmless. Repeatedly forcing your neck can strain the surrounding tissues and, in very rare cases, contribute to serious blood vessel injuries.